Hello and welcome back to another episode of my C-10 rebuild. Well, today I'm going to be replacing the wheel stud on the driver's side axle here. So here you can see the one wheel stud has sheared off. Like I said, I was able to pick up another stud from the local parts store. Also, I noticed cracks in the rotors, and sure enough, the same thing is on the other side, also on the passenger side. So while I'm here, I'm just going to go ahead and replace those with solid rotors that I picked up from Wilwood. Okay, so first thing I'm going to go ahead and remove the brake caliper using a 3/8 hex. Yeah, look at that. Jeez, all the way through the hat. He's out. Here's a new one. So they have special tools that'll help you line that stud back up on this flange here. But if not, just take your time. I'm using a 1/2 inch washer here. I also have a bearing, some extra bearings from when I did the bed slide, different sizes. I'll probably put that on here also, and then tighten up one of the lug nuts against that. So let me just kind of get this situated here. I'll get this started by hand. You can see, so we're going to close that little space up right there to get it flush with the flange. I may have to bring out the big boy. Okay, so there's the new stud. Rotor.